YouTube is simply amazing, since creators all over the world can make content, and YouTube allows users to upload, view, rate, share, add to playlists, report, comment on videos, and subscribe to other users. But it also allows people to earn money, and with hard work, patience, creativity, and smarts, it can be very lucrative. If you want to start a channel, or if you already have one, then you can find out how to make YouTube your steady job. But before we begin, please make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. First, you should start your own channel. You can make a channel about anything. You can make a short film, you can draw, sing, or share just about anything. Your YouTube account will be the Google account that you use, since they are the same login. You can use an existing Google account or create a new one. This is simple to do. Just go to google.com and sign up. Choose your username well. Less complicated, the better. Simpler is key if you want to make it big. Here are a few things to remember. Make your username easy and memorable so that they can easily find their way back to you or even share your channel to others easily. Give it a try, but if you feel that your chosen username is not working for you, change it on your Google account. It is a simple process, and then you can proceed with your new, better, and easier to remember username. Also remember to add keywords connected to your content in the advanced section of your channel settings. Now that you have a YouTube channel, it's time to work on your content and creative style, so you can upload it on YouTube once you're done. Search for your own topics and discover the style that you want to use. Be creative, be imaginative, be unique. Make sure that your videos are not too long, and make sure that your audience remain engaged and interested. Also remember that nothing happens overnight, so be patient, be creative, be smart, research, and work. Since YouTube is a social platform, if you improve your style and your content, then your channel growth, including your subscribers and views, will also continue to improve. This is guaranteed. As you add experience to your YouTube craft, try your best to upgrade quality. Start with quality of your content. You can also upgrade the quality of your camera or use better editors for your video and audio. You can upgrade your background studio and lighting, among others. The key is to post new, amazing, original content regularly. Make it your goal to upload at least 1 or 2 videos a week. The more quality videos in a week, more exposure for your channel. And anytime your video has the chance to go viral or quickly gather much needed views and subscribers. Do you remember what we mentioned about tags and keywords? Study this well because this is important. You would want everyone who is interested in your topic to find your videos easily. Now this is where it starts, and it is one of the special features of YouTube. Monetization. Go to your profile on the top right corner, click on YouTube Studio, and Monetization. Don't forget that to make some money, you need to grow your audience who watches your videos regularly. That's easy. Use your social media and promote your videos. Also make sure to stay in contact with your audience to make interaction personal so that your target audience will discover you and stay with you. There's another simple requirement involved. You need to get into the YouTube Partner Program. Here are the minimum requirements to join. Follow all YouTube monetization policies, including content that meets the advertiser-friendly content guidelines. Live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. Have more than 1,000 subscribers. Have a linked Adsense account. To set up Google AdSense for free, go to their website. This is important so you can receive your earned money. If you are not yet 18 years old, ask Mom or Dad to help, since Adsense will need a valid address and a bank account to know who you are, so that they can send the money. If you meet these requirements, don't worry because YouTube will email you once you qualify to apply. By then, YouTube will guide you how to apply to become a partner, and once approved, YouTube will start placing ads on your videos so that you can make money. Notice, you may also get part of the YouTube Premium subscribers subscription fee when they watch your content. Remember to be patient and learn as much as you can in the YouTube Studio, and it's very important to learn the analytics, since it will give you feedback on which topics are most popular and which ones may need more improvement in content quality or in promotion. These numbers in analytics can tell you valuable information about your viewers and subscribers, and it will guide you to improve. Other than the advertising revenue, There are other features to make money on the YouTube Partner Program that requires you to be 18 years old and other additional requirements. For example, merchandise shelf. Your channel must have more than 10,000 subscribers. Channel memberships. Your channel must have more than 30,000 subscribers. Super Chat and Super Sticker. You must live in a country or region where Super Chat is available. Search if your region allows this. Another possibility to make money is this. Once you have one of your videos go viral, you would want to gather the chunk of the profit. Just to simplify, it's possible to license your materials in exchange for money. Then, other news media outlets, TV news, or other interested creators will need to contact you for the rights to use your video. Another possibility, you can sell other people's products as an affiliate marketer by selling their items in exchange for a commission. Places like eBay and Amazon offer great deals for affiliate marketers to promote their products. Include this in your study and another avenue for revenue opens up. You can also look for sponsorship with certain companies for advertisement that would be available for you. What are you waiting for? If you have the goal to be a success in YouTube, begin now. Bring out your creative self and in no time you will earn money in YouTube. Just search for more information on any questions you have. Start creating content about your ideas now, and it may even lead you to a more satisfying source of income. We wish you the very best. If you have any suggestions for topics that you would want us to create, please leave us a comment below. Don't forget to click subscribe for more videos. As always, work hard all the time. Good luck and be productive.